Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to do it. Take 250 grams of boneless fish. I have took Malabar King fish. Add required amount of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Now let's mix all the ingredients together. Squeeze lemon juice out of 1 lemon. Marinate this fish for half an hour at room temperature. Let's take a fish piece and cover it with all-purpose flour. Tap out the excess flour from the fish, and now let's dip the fish in egg. For 250 grams of fish, we need 2 beaten eggs. After coating the fish with egg, let's put the fish in breadcrumbs. Today I have not took breadcrumbs. Instead of that, I have took masala cornflakes. That is, it has salt and chili powder. This will enhance the taste of coating, so I prefer masala cornflakes instead of breadcrumbs. After coating all the fish fingers, let's refrigerate it for half an hour. Keep a pan, add 250 ml of oil and drop each finger slowly into the oil. After 5 minutes, let's flip it to the other side. Now our fish fingers is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.